Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Honda CBR250R, lightweight sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This lightweight Honda comes to us with only 10,247 miles. Beautiful metallic black finish, great condition. Come on by, make your lightweight Honda sport bike dreams come true for just $29.99. This bike, we have financing available, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.